But it changes from blue to green.
Blue to green.
Means blue withdrawal.
Nanto matha.
Konta series of
Yes,
blue
copper sulfate pentanate is called
blue withdrawal.
Yes. Blue withdrawal. It is called blue withdrawal. Or in metal it is called toothpaste. We can do the phenolphthalein. We can use the phenolphthalein indicator. Let's do that. NaCl. Let's do that.
Yes.
NaOH, ACl. The mixing of ACl and ACl.
Neutralization reaction.
Neutralization reaction. That is hydrogen.
So that is it. Let's see it.
It's okay. I will not use more amount. So it is now. There is nothing but
HCl.
the simple HCl. So
Sir, if it will be concentrated, then we should not use this type of glasses.
we need less amount. Indicator. Now see, it is phenolphthalein indicator, and it would be
Phenolphthalein, no. So it will be means what is it? Colorless.
Acidic. Pink.
What?
no.
Colorless. आगे दिन ही बोल लो.
I don't know. Yes, sir.
It's type of translucent. It translucent like.
It's nothing. It is not making. So now the solution is acidic. I have used indicator, phenolphthalein indicator. There is nothing happening. There is nothing happening. But after adding some amount of sodium hydroxide inside that, we will get something. We will definitely get the salt soda, salt.
Immediately.
Immediately. After getting the neutralized, they have to be neutral. How titration is made? How titration is made? They drop wise mix NaOH, not at a time. Not at a time. Like this. Still it's not ready. Because the amount of acid is greater than the amount of the base.
No. For some time it
There should be in the equal amount.
It turned with pink.
Why? Because the density is greater when it is dropping, but after mixing it with the solutions, the density is reducing.
The amount of the acid and the base should be equal.
See? Still not getting. Still not turning it. See? Still not. So it is actually neutralizing. It is decreasing the H plus ions and making H2O. Still not. And after some time, after certain period of time, you will see that just adding a drop of sodium hydroxide will turn pink immediately. See how interesting it is. Even not. Still not. How much amount I need? Actually I added too much, but it is not. So it is not totally messy. It's not neutral. Don't think it is
It's
neutral.
basic now.
Now it turned
Very
basic. That's why it is showing with a pink color.
Means now the amount of acid is lesser than the amount.
lesser than the amount
But I
of
think it
sodium
is darker
hydroxide.
than the previous one we made.
How?
It is dark, somewhat darker, somewhat reddish, very, somewhat darker it is.
Dark
Because
one?
in the like
The previous one.
it had water. Previous one had water.
The solution was dilute.
So now we have to add. It's
We can do that. We can change the medium of it.
no, I wanted to see salt.
See salt? How you can see salt?
Huh?
It is not.
No, that is the crystal form of salt. That is the crystal form of
No,
salt.
it will make AC electric.
We have to evaporate that. We have to evaporate that, and we will get less amount of salt that cannot be absorbed so easily. How much salt is being made here? Very less. Very less. Isn't it? But we can change the color of it.
Let's
Once
vaporize
again. It is vinegar. Acetic acid. See? How interesting, na? How cute. Yes. Chemistry is cute like that.
No, chemistry is
If
beautiful.
yes, definitely. If you fall in love with the chemistry, definitely it will give you a beautiful result. See? Now there is nothing. Like it didn't happen.
Water.
It seems like it didn't happen. It's just like whatever the previous relationship was. That is the beauty
But
of
it
it.
is more transparent.
More transparent, it was transparent also.
No, after itself, what did you put? It was somewhat translucent, somewhat hazy, the type, white color.
Easy because we were mixing that. But after some time, after getting settlement, definitely it will be transparent. Now it is called thermometer. It is called
Thermometer.
You know about that. It is very popular. It is very popular.
It is lab thermometer, no? Not the clinical.
Not lab thermometer. We can use that anywhere. We can
Means
use that
it has a little bit of
normal-
high temperature.
The mercury one.
How? Mercury. Hg is used here. Is used here. The volume will be the volume of the mercury. The volume of the mercury will be increased if the temperature is higher. What is the reason? Why we get our temperature? How I can measure our temperature with the help of the thermometer?
The mercury from
The mercury fluctuates. It fluctuates. That means the volume will be increased.
Yes.
Because we have idea. Did you ever hear about the Charles law, Boyle's law related with the gas? Didn't know about that?
Yeah, what one? Which one?
Charles law and Boyle's law? Charles and Boyle's law.
I have heard their name, but they didn't know what it was.
Didn't know what they have done. We should not remember their name, but should remember what they have done. Because we have
Means
to.
I have listened.
So Charles stated that V varies T. Charles stated that V varies T. If the temperature is higher or if we increase the temperature, the volume will also be increased.
What did you say?
Various. V varies T. Proportional. V proportional T. Varies as. It is called varies, not varies. Varies as.
Means we that proportion.
If we increase the temperature, the volume also be increased. Like V is equals to KT. Just think about that. V is equals to KT. The temperature is 5 Kelvin. So it would be V is equals to 5K. Temperature, the volume will be 5K. Is it? There will be definitely the value of that constant. But still, I am not putting the value. If we use the higher temperature like 10 Kelvin, so what will be the volume? It will be V is equals to 10K. So what is the greater volume? What is the greater volume? 5K or 10K? 10K. So if we are increasing the temperature, we are getting the higher volume, and that actually happening here. Did you hear about that 76 centimeter of Hg? That is the pressure. Pressure 76 centimeter of Hg. Huh? We are already in class 9.
So
We are starting class 9. How can you know? We haven't even started class
We are the way 8.5. Hey, don't speak in Bengali. People will know.
Okay. So I'm not good. Listen, I'm not going to the data right now because it would be miserable. Maybe Priyanshu is thinking what sir is doing. I'm not getting any point. Isn't Priyanshu? No? Maybe Priyanshu will not come after next day. He will think that it is very hard to understand. It is very tough for me to get the lessons, to get the point of sir. I will change the teacher. I will definitely change the teacher. But you know, that is chemistry actually. That is the real meaning of chemistry. Chemistry is nothing in your book. Chemistry is here. Chemistry and physics are made with the practical knowledge, not with the theoretical knowledge.
We should
Because practical
play
is
with it.
practical.
We have to play with it.
Apple was falling, but they discovered the gravitational force. So gravitational force was there. How did they discover? How did they discover gravitational force?
By sitting outside.
After noticing the fact that apples are falling down to the ground, he noticed, is it? And after that he thought what could be a reason. And after that he did so many experiments. He thought a lot, and then he came to know, oh, it is gravitational force which is responsible to do so, is it? So, with the practical
he gave the name.
Huh?
He gave the name gravity. It's his name.
Gravitational force was there. What is the practical knowledge I'm saying? With the practical phenomenon.
If you wouldn't have sit outside, then you wouldn't have found it.
And somehow we make a fun when we say that if there will be coconut instead of apple, there will be coconut.
Then Newton wouldn't.
There will be half of physics. There will be half of physics, not the full, because it created the
Yes, there is chapter in class 9. Chapter.
We have also
Law of motion.
in class 9. Motion, gravitational force. That is included in class 9 also. Don't need to be worried about that. We will
Force
go.
and loss of motion.
Force and laws of motion.
And also the gravitation.
Gravitational force. So at that moment we will notice so many things. I will
Then Newton
bring
would have-
pendulum and like watch. Tum 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 tum. Will do
Then
that.
if Newton, if a coconut fell on Newton's head, then he would be thinking, how can people visit the heaven without doing any good?
Without doing any
So law of inertia is related with this one, you know?
law.
Inertia.
Inertia. Newton's law. Newton has had 3 types of law, or 3 laws actually. Newton has given 3 laws.
These are the
First, second, and third. Momentum, inertia, isn't force, acceleration, kind of.
every action has its equal and
So,
opposite reaction.
so now we have another reactions for you. We have another reaction for you. We need some water. We have some water. Can you give me some amount of water?
আমাকে যাচ্ছে না।
It's enough. It's enough to do that. It's enough to do that. Okay. So what is called? Can you say me what is called? You love the book? Do you love the book?
Turmeric.
Really or not? Oh, okay.
Turmeric.
Caramel.
Ceremony.
Okay, good. And what is the main
Haldi bola.
what is the main component in turmeric? What is that? No?
I read that it acts as an indicator.
Curcumin.
That
Curcumin, not tarcumin. Curcumin. C-U-R-C-U-M-I-N. Curcumin.
Here for
It is
first
the-
time.
Huh?
Here the name for first time.
For the first time. You
Are
will
you
get so
trying to
many
say
things for the first time. Don't need to be worried about that. The classes will be totally different than they use here. Curcumin. The chemical formula of curcumin is C21H20 H20O6. Carbon, hydrogen, and oxygen. 21 atoms of carbon, 20 atoms of hydrogen, and 6 atoms of oxygen. Not good. Glucose is totally different. Glucose is saccharide, monosaccharide, disaccharide. What is going on actually? What is the problem? Okay, so let's see what happens. So that is curcumin. Curcumin will act as a you are getting right point. Let's see what happens.
Sir,
How
it acts as an indicator.
when it will give the contact of bases and do we have
No, in acid, I think. In acid it is red.
Let's see. Don't need to make call with each other. Don't need to make call with each other. We will analyze.
So
See what is going to be happening. Wow, the sound is very melodious.
Please let me.
You have to take that.
don't drink.
And curcumin is really good for us. It has the property of antibiotic. You know, antibiotic property. It will definitely
It boosts our immunity system.
boost our immunity. That's why sometimes doctor recommend us to take or to drink turmeric milk.
Healthy milk.
Healthy milk. Turmeric milk. Before the sleeping. Before our sleeping, before going to bed. So now see, quickly see. It's turning yellow. Okay? It's turning yellow.
It's water.
It is simple. It's getting its original color. There is nothing extraordinary. There is nothing. It's getting its original color. And now, if we change the medium, how we can change the medium?
By pouring NaOH.
That's why I have that.
But
What is that?
Sorry?
no. Washing powder.
Detergent. It is detergent. It is
घड़ी में
Hey.
Obviously.
इस्तेमाल करें फिर विश्वास करें
We should not use our brain because you know, it hurts. It will damage our skin. It will not
it is
get
detergent.
the.
Is it detergent? Have you used it before?
So what is the chemical name of it? Means formula.
Detergent is a mixture.
Formula.
Detergent don't have any certain. Detergent don't have any certain chemical formula. It is a mixture. It is a mixture of several bases like carbonate, sulfate, something like that. See what is going to be happening.
Brown.
দেখাচ্ছে না ব্লাইন্ড হয়ে গেছে
It is now turning into red color. It is now say me what is happening here. What will be the reason? What will be the reason?
Indicator.
It was yellow color previously, but now it turned into. We have changed the medium actually. It was acidic, not acidic actually. Sorry, it was neutral. When your turmeric was getting its original color, which is yellow.
Yeah.
But now we have already turned the medium, changed the medium.
So what happens in
What happens
acidic?
here? See what's up here. Same sir. What's happening here? Say me.
No, add something basic. Add something
It's
acidic.
working exactly like the phenolphthalein. Phenolphthalein is also an indicator. It is also an indicator. Curcumin also work as a or function as an indicator. So what is the original color? The original color of
Yellow.
curcumin is yellow. That you can definitely watch that. But now when we are turning the medium or changing the medium, we are getting the basic medium. Or in the basic medium, curcumin turns calculator say
Right.
what is happening here. So you can say me. So what is happening actually? Why it is changing?
The solution has become very basic.
Very basic, but still, what is the depth approach? Basic, I know that. I have already even told you that it is turning basic. Curcumin actually changing its structure. Curcumin actually changing its structure. It was previously in a kind of different structure. Now it has different structure. It turns into different structure. It turns into different structure. So definitely we are getting different color. If we turn the structure, we will get different property. If we turn the structure, we will get different property. Even we know that glucose and fructose, the same formula, C6H12O6, C6H12O6 and C6H12O6. The both chemical formula is C6H12O6, but one is called glucose, one is called fructose.
Why?
It is called fructose.
Why?
Why? Because it is the molecular formula, but the original structure is different. Like it would be like this way. That is biochemistry. It is a part of biochemistry. Yes. There will be HOH. I'm just supposing that HOH, something like that. And there will be different kind of structure. Like here it is HOH. It will be OH. It will be OH. It will be also could be HOH. So the structure is different. The molecular formula will be same. The actual structure is different, but the molecular formula is same. That's why we are getting the different property. Glucose and fructose function differently. Is it?
Yes.
Is it or not?
Is it?
So that is the reason. Now we can change the color. Can you change the color also? Can you change the color of that solution also?
I think
No. Say no.
No.
And I will do some
Yes. Yes. Yes.
I think yes.
Yes.
Don't say yes. Don't say yes. No.
Yes. Yes. Yes.
Don't say that. If we add some amount of vinegar, still it will change. It will be changed. See? It totally depends on the medium. If it is acidic neutral, then it would be yellow. If it is basic, it will be red. If we turn it steel, then obviously the color will be changed. 40 rupees. The color is changing. Gets its original color. How interesting!
Is it neutral?
And people used to say that chemistry, physics, or science is very boring. How they could say that, huh?
They are just, don't have brain or something to think something like that.
Okay, but we have to think in a different way. We have to think in a different way. Getting my point? Have any question about that? Any kind of question that is striking in your mind in different is
Is it neutral or acidic?
I'm making you understand from the till our class or since we started our class that we are changing the medium.
Yes.
So definitely it is now
Acidic.
acidic. In between acidic and neutral. It's not basic, that is confirmed.
Yes.
In between acidic and neutral. Okay. So many things I have already demonstrated.
It's looking like lemon juice.
So many things.
orange juice.
Do I have anything else?
Some-
Yes, I have another one. I have another one.
What?
I am showing you so many things today because after that day or from the next day we are going to
Study.
start our lesson. Or we will learn about our syllabus. So that's why I have something else for you. So today's class is all about indicator. Those all are related somehow indicator. What is that?
Highlighter.
Highlighter. Can you remove that?
What?
Did you ever think that the marks of highlighter can be removed or released very easily? Just think that suppose that you have a marks of highlighter and you have done that without any intention. Somehow you have a children at your home and somehow he did some marks. You have done marks on your paper.
By applying
And now you have to erase it. You have any options to erase it.
Alcohol.
Same you want to be
By
alcohol. Do that then.
Huh?
Do that. Open your exercise book and draw a line, and then let's see. Let's see. Don't need to do that, okay? No, don't need to be easy. Don't need to be easy.